Hello, my dear little ones. Let us continue with chapter 5 Theseus and the Minotaur. On the 18th birthday, Theseus and his mother came to the hilltop as usual. As I have told you yesterday, every year, every birthday, Athra used to take Theseus to the hilltop. So, as usual, on the 18th birthday also, Theseus was assisting his mother to the hilltop. Theseus was now a young man, strong and wise. So he was a young man, grown up man. He was so strong, he was wise in the sense intelligent. He had learnt many arts and acquired a great deal of wisdom. So he had learned by this time, he had learnt many arts and also acquired great deal of wisdom. This time he did not try to lift the stone but rolled away the rock with the help of a strong stick. So always he used to lift the rock, but this time he did not try to lift the stone but he rolled away the rock with the help of a strong stick. In the pit lay a golden sword and a pair of embroidered sandals. So in the pit, what was lying there? So his father Pittheus has kept his golden sword as well as the embroidered sandals, as I have mentioned you in the first part. What is the meaning of embroidered? Decorated with patterns sewn on with thread. So he had kept it under the pit. Now Athra told him the secret of their yearly visit. So before that, Athra never told him the secret of their visit. Every now and then he used to ask, Theseus used to ask his mother why we are always moving this stone, but Athra never said the secret. But now, at last, Athra told the secret. My son, this golden sword and the embroidered sandals belong to your father. So this golden sword and the embroidered sandals, that which you have got underneath the pit, that belongs to your father. He is Aegeus, the king of Athens. So he is king of Athens. Before leaving for Athens after your birth, he buried the sword and the sandals in this pit. So when he left Athens after your birth, he buried the sword and sandals in this pit. My father is the king of Athens, cried Theseus. So he was wondering, he was surprised to hear that his father is king of Athens. You never told me about him. So he is complaining to his mother that you never told me before that he is my father belongs to king of Athens. My son, your father had commanded me to reveal you this secret only when you have moved this stone. So mother is telling that your father has commanded me, told me to reveal this secret when you are able to move this stone. Unless and until you should not speak this secret or speak out the truth. Before he left, he told me this. When our son is able to move this rock, send him to me and he will be my heir. So he is telling that before moving, so my son is able to move the rock, send him to me, then he will be my heir. So what is the meaning of heir? Yesterday also I have mentioned a person who has legal right to get the property of the parents. So this is the meaning of heir. When our son is able to move this rock, send him to me and he will be my heir. I will recognize him. I will identify him by these items of mine. So what are the items that which was underneath the pit? That was a sword as well as the embroidered sandals. Now, my son, take your father's sword and sandals and leave for Athens at once. So, Athra is telling, take your father's sword and sandals and leave at once, said Athra to her son. Immediately, Theseus took the sword and the sandals and set out for Athens. So, immediately as he heard it from mother, he took the sword and the sandals and set out for Athens. To reach Athens, Theseus had to travel through dense forests full of wild animals and robbers. Who is a robber? A person who commits robbery. So this forest was full of wild animals and with the robbers. But Theseus was not afraid. He was so strong and brave. He was an excellent swordsman. He killed many bandits. What is the meaning of bandits? Robber. Who blocked his path. The news of his brave deeds soon reached the city ahead of him. So his brave deeds reached the city ahead of him. Before he reached Athens, it reached them. When he reached the city, the people cheered him and took him to King Aegeus. So the people were very happy. He took him to Aegeus. Who is Aegeus? The father of Theseus. When Aegeus saw the sword and sandals, he got up from his throne and ran to embrace his son. So he told that to Athra that by these items of mine, I will be able to identify my son. So after seeing the sword and sandals in the hand of Aegeus, he got up from his throne and ran to embrace his son. My son, my dear son, I have been waiting for you. So I was waiting for you these many years. I am so glad to see you, my son, he said to Theseus. The throne is yours. You are my heir. Let me show you to my people. So he is telling that, let me show you to my people. So saying, he ran out of the palace showing his son to everyone. He was so happy. He ran out of the palace and he showed his son and he told that this is my son to everyone in the palace. So let me stop here. We will continue with the next session. So the word meaning: embroidered, decorated with patterns hewn on the thread, buried, placed or hidden underground, robbers, a person who commits robbery, bandits, robber, throne, royal seat, cheered, shout for joy or in praise. So your homework for today is read and learn the word meaning as well as you can read the passage also. Thank you.